Okay, very good, my friends. Good afternoon, good morning, good night, depending on the time that you watch this video. Today, we're going to study some difference between food, dish, meal, and cuisine. Today, we will learn to use these confusing words correctly, okay? A lot of English learners get confused about the words food, dish, meal, and cuisine. These words refer to the general topic of eating, but there are some important differences in how to use them. I will explain how to use these words so that you can understand them clearly and fully. Food is the most common general word referring to anything you can eat. For example, a banana, a hamburger, a salad, a piece of bread, a slice of pizza. Anything you can eat, my friends. In everyday English, you will often hear sentences like these ones. What is your favorite food? Let's go get some food. The word food is usually singular, so you should say, I ate a lot of food, not foods, last night. The correct is, I ate a lot of food last night. Or you can also say, I ate too much food last night. But there are some exceptions. We sometimes use foods plural when we talk about multiple different types. For example, at the international festival, I tried foods from around the world. The word dish has two meanings. One is a physical object used to hold, to cook, and to serve food. When we talk about washing the dishes, we are washing the plates, bowls, pots, pans, spoons, forks, etc. The word dish can also refer to one prepared item of food, like a lasagna or a fruit salad, like the one in the image. If you go to a type of social event called a potluck, each person who attends must bring a dish. For example, a person brings a salad, another person brings an apple pie, another person brings some cake. Remember, here we have a new word, potluck. Potluck is a kind of party that people need to bring something for the party. At a restaurant, you might encounter the terms main dish, a large amount of food, and side dish, a small amount of food that goes with the main dish, like a small bowl of broccoli. So remember here, you have main dish and you have side dish. The word meal refers to the customary time occasion of eating food. Most people eat 3 meals, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Here, my friend, you can say, have breakfast, have lunch, or have dinner. Or you can also say, eat breakfast, eat lunch, and eat dinner. Pay attention to the structure. You can also say, I have a sandwich for breakfast, or I eat a sandwich for breakfast. I have a tamal for lunch, or I eat a tamal for lunch. You can say, I have a hamburger for dinner, or I eat a hamburger for dinner. Look at the structure, okay? Meal also refers to all the food eaten during of these occasions. So one meal can include multiple dishes, like the one in the picture, okay? Dinner is one meal, but you can have chicken, rice, salad, and ice cream. Each of them is one dish, and when eaten all together on one occasion, they are a meal. You can have a big or heavy meal with a lot of food, or a light meal with little food. A meal can be elaborate with many different and complicated dishes, or simple with just a few easy to make dishes. So here you have two different words, okay? You have three, a big meal or a heavy meal or a light meal. And you can also have elaborate meal or simple meal. Remember those words, okay? Those are important to write them down and change them into part of your everyday vocabulary. The word cuisine describes a typical style of preparing food. Country, ethnic, regional adjectives. Italian cuisine, Mexican cuisine, American cuisine, Cajun cuisine, French cuisine, or South Indian cuisine. In even English, many people simply say food when talking about getting something to eat. For example, many American people and British people say, I love Chinese food, Or do you want to try some American food? When talking more about the techniques and traditions, then we will say cuisine. Palm oil is used in African cuisine. John specializes in French cuisine. Very good, my friends. So that will be all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, if you have questions, please write the question on the comments. And thank you very much. And I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you, my voice.